This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're going to do a banana box test of this Ford Capri. It is basically the same as the Ford Explorer, except for that the Capri is a little bit lower, just talk about just millimeters, but 215 millimeters longer. That should give it a lot more space, right? We're gonna find out. Yeah, and then I have Isabel with me here. Isabel, wanna have daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, first we have to move the banana boxes over. Come on, Isabel, let's go. Good girl. It's a flink, do I, Isabel? Put it there. Put it here. Yeah, okay. Wow, this is very nice because many times, okay, I can take 5 boxes, but sometimes we just need that one extra box. So after many rounds, we'll get, yeah, it's like we improve the carrying capacity by 20%. Yeah, Isabel, you're getting so big now. Come on, baby. Can you just stay small forever? Kan jag få kos? Okay, come on. And this car actually has a frunk. It is so weird. Yeah, you want to see, Isabel? Okay, well, let me just put the hook here first. You see, there's a big thing here in the middle here. It seems like it's just DIY. Yeah, they just slap it down here. So you can have some smaller equipment here, maybe a Type 2 cable, but not a toddler. Well, Isabel, are you a baby or a toddler?
Toddler.
A toddler?
Yeah.
Are you a toddler or a baby?
Baby.
Okay, let's go in the back instead. Wow, look at that back, huh? Ford Capri. Isabel, this is red. That is also red, huh? They're red. Both of them are red. Huh? Isabel, ชอบคันนี้หรือว่าคันนู้น? She likes that one. She has good taste. Okay, I don't want to touch it because it's schmutzig. So here we have actually a relatively spacious trunk. Yeah, okay, you want to sit in here? Okay, well, yeah, okay. You want to sit here? Here, see how spacious it is? Huh? Okay, just get down. So here in the trunk we have this lid we can take out, and also this lid you can lower it. What we're gonna do is we take out both of these, and then here we have also this lid, just like in the other ID card. Wait. Oh, but it seems like it has been fastened here with some some fasteners, so it seems like you're not supposed to take it off. Okay, then we leave it there. Just to show you how big the trunk is, Isabel is almost 90 centimeters, and you see she can almost. No, Isabel, no, we don't gonna put you in the trunk. Just show you here. See? So it means we have around 80 centimeter height. That is pretty good. Okay, alles gut. Come on. Thank you. All right, what's up? Oh, thank you, Isabel. Oh, it's a flink, do I? Can you get another one, Isabel? Get another one for Daddy. See, try to figure out how to stack these. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's a flink, do I? Oh man, Daddy is getting proud. All right, round 1 in the trunk. Now, let's see. 1, here, Isabel, put it there. 1, 2, I tried to pack as much as I could. 3, 4, I'll just put it there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hallelujah! It can take one more than the Explorer. Huh? The trunk in the Capri is bigger than the Explorer. Oh, okay, sorry. Let me help you here. The lid fell off it. Shit. There. Alles gut. Yeah, put it there. Oh, this headrests are hard to take out. Come on. There. Isabel, put it over there. There you go. Varsågod. Thank you. Okay, now we're prepared. Okay, as usual, I'll try to put as many boxes as possible in here, and I feel like I didn't even utilize the space to the max, because here you see could I fit another banana box there? I'm not sure, but there's always some limitation in the roof. So here we squeezed it all the way there. Wait, now I'm getting curious. So even if it has a sloping back, it seems to still be able to take a lot of boxes. But wait, what about on this side? Did I also leave a big gap? No, you see, okay, here I squeeze it all the way out, you see. So it means that you cannot fit another there. Maybe a half box, but that's not how it works. Isabel, you like it?
Yeah. Alive.
Yeah.
Daddy, I need alive.
That is a rock. It's a rock, Isabel.
Rock.
Yeah, it's a rock. She starts speaking English now. Huh, Isabel? Make it. No, do not eat. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's start counting. Huh? Do you have a kick sensor here? No, it's just full of schmutz now. No, we don't have any kick sensor. It's not that luxurious, this car. So let's count. No, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
22, 23, 24. The same as a Ford Explorer. Well, at least now we have proven that, okay, you have slightly more trunk space, but here couldn't fit more. So yeah, you can go for the Explorer. It is cheaper, but it has worse drag coefficient. It's 0.29 versus 0.26 here. No, it's bad. No, don't touch that. And other than that, yeah, this is a nice car, right? It's a nicer car, the Capri. But yeah, at least we have a very spacious Capri. The most spacious Capri ever. Hallelujah! Oh, shit, dangerous angle. Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.